Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Teckin FL42 floor lamp. Cool. Alright, so simple design. Just have to screw this together. We got the foot switch on the bottom. And what I'm doing here, because I don't want to spin this cord around, this tube spins free on it, so I'm just going to spin this tube together. Alright. And do the same thing here. So here I will have to spin it, and I'm going to have to rotate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I'm going to pre-spin it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that way, when I go to tighten it together, it's going to unkink this cord. Okay, now the wire should be nice and straight inside the pipe. Since the wire doesn't go through the base, I can just spin that guy on. Okay, so we are assembled. Yeah, honestly, that's a pretty cool look. It's not flamboyant or crazy or wild. It just looks nice and simple.